In this video, we're replacing a front drive shaft for a Mercedes Benz 4matic c300 2010. What you're seeing right now is in the shop where we are assessing what's wrong with the car and which parts are damaged. The shop is charging us a significant amount of money, and we decided to take the car home and work on it and change the parts ourselves. There are quite a few problems in this situation because removing the parts is one challenge, and then adding the parts is another challenge altogether. So right now we're lifting the car up and we're building the bases for the jack stands.
Oh man, that works, power tools.
Lifting the car up was quite a bit of a challenge, and I was very cautious not to have the car fall because the driveway in that area, it's a little bit inclined towards the passenger side of the car. So I used the jack stands and the ramps underneath the wheels.
Shit.
As you can see, the wheel just spun when I was trying to loosen up the Torx screws that connect the flange from the front drive shaft to the back of the car and to the front of the car. So in order to loosen the screws, I have to lower the car on top of the ramps and the 2x4s to create enough pressure that keeps the wheels from spinning. You may also need to know that if you have a second and or third person in this process, it will help. We eventually ended up with the car completely suspended on 4 jack stands to be able to replace and put back in the actual drive shaft.
Alright, so this is the rub. That screw right there, or the Torx screw right here, that one, it's loosened up. Problem is because this is broken, the drive shaft, the wheels will spin, so they're resting, so they don't spin while I'm trying to loosen up the screws. And this is a painful process. So as you can see, the screw on the top, it's already mangled. That's gonna be a pain. I have to like lift the car to be able to spin this guy. See that one, it's working. I have to lift the car up and then
We were able to remove the drive shaft with the car only lifted from the front and with the rear wheels on the actual floor, nothing underneath the rear wheels.
so right now, let me see, will this see? Okay, so I'm trying to put this up top, see if I can get that in there so I can loosen that one up. And because it's messed up, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to loosen it up. Thank God for glasses. Shit's falling down. Oh. I got this one as well. Right there, this guy. I got this one loose. I couldn't reach the top one. It's not enough. But then I have the one behind right there. And let's try that one. What a painful process, let me tell you. Have you ever seen an incident where this damn thing breaks off? Oh, hold on. I think I'm in. Okay. Man, I hate when this dislodges dust and stuff. Okay, it's loose. Great. Okay, I thought it was going to be a painful damn process. Okay, we have 2 down. And the third one. And the garbage that falls out of this car is ridiculous. Thank God for glasses. Oh, my hand is like fatigued. That's the word. Fatigued. Right, let's see. Oh, yeah, baby. See it now? It spins. That's great news. Hey, you little shit. You. Oh, stole my wrench. Okay, yeah, let me see if I can put this like that in there. I might have to hammer that thing in there. That screw is screwed up. Yep, I gotta bring that down. So I have to lift the car up so I can spin a wheel and then check on this guy coming down. I would love to be able to fit this right now how it is right there. But it's not possible. The screw is mangled. I might have to hammer it in a little bit. Because I hate being in claustrophobic spaces. I gotta figure out this little business. Okay. Let's get out. Shit. I hate getting out of the way. And luckily I have these two. Still solid. Good thing it didn't creak like that when I was underneath it. I would have been like shit in my pants. Hello. Oh. See that? That's where it's supposed to be. What a shithole. Those situations. And this car is so damn low to the ground, it's unbelievable. Okay. Woo! It's loose! Oh, man. Eu te ciuciulanu. That's it. That is out. Oh, come. That's it. It's out. That's great. It's out. Perfect.
After snapping forward the drive shaft, we had to push the transmission bracket upwards with the jack and then slide the drive shaft backwards to take it out. By the way, in between the exhaust pipes there's a bracket. We didn't take that off to remove the drive shaft, and we didn't take the wire off, the sensor wire, to remove the drive shaft.
Mangle beyond recognition. Focus.
However, to install the new drive shaft, we had to remove those two or loosen them so you have more access to the drive shaft. Stay tuned for the part 2 on installing the new drive shaft, which is much more difficult than taking it out. Requires 2 people or a mini jack to pry open the transmission or to push it to the side.
Dar nu se vor tare, mă, să vor un pic, atât.
Bă, nimic nu se aude, it's awesome.
Bă-te-le jos, nebunule, ca să auzi dacă merge bine, băi,
Poate
turbată.
se învârt, băi, pulă.
Bă, să învârte că e în aer, băi, nebună, te s-o pui jos să vezi dacă...
idea.